one of the things that I really admire about people that are into graphics design and branding is their ability to be able to discern, how people are going to feel, how people are going to react when they see a concept that they made into a banner, a concept that they made into a logo, the representation of a product, representation of a brand, how people are going to react to it. And then develop that concept into a finished product, whether it may be a banner, maybe a logo. That creative process, I think for me, it's really pure genius, So today I just wanted to reach out to these guys who are into the space. I wanted to come to you with something that I believe can be very useful for your business. But before I get into what it is, let me talk to you about what kind of problems that we think if you do not have this platform or service, you're going to be facing. So in a typical day, you'll have customers walking in with their requests. You are probably going to write them down somewhere, take note of them, and normally if you're in a company of about a couple of people, 3 to 10 people, of which these people we are specifically interested in this company of this size or magnitude. What's going to happen is someone's going to do the design and another person will go to printing, perhaps another person or the same person who's gone to printing, they're going to take it for implementation at the client's premises. So in other words, you've got a chain and stages of which a job is going to go through until it is finished. So if you don't have a very efficient way of managing these stages and these jobs, what's going to happen is you end up having a batch of jobs that have not been finished. And you have clients coming back to you and asking you why this has not been done, which damages your reputation, and obviously this becomes bad for business. So now, another problem that then comes in is because of all of this pressure, your team might end up lying to you, trying to save face before you when you're having those review meetings, when they give you updates of what has been done and what not has been done. So now, one way to check and see that the team is lying to you is you end up talking about one thing for a couple of days, couple of weeks, even months. You're talking about a certain job that has not been finished or that has come to completion. It is because of this pressure that is causing your team to lie like that, not to tell the truth about exactly the status of the job. Now, imagine a scenario whereby you are able to track and see exactly what is going on each of the jobs. It allows you to handle whatever bottlenecks that are there. So in other words, with this solution that we are offering you is the management and business owners of a graphics design company, you are able to track exactly at what stage during the process of delivery that a job is at. Now, this allows you to be able to make decisions that are timely, decisions that are well informed. So, for example, if you see that there's a trend with a certain printer or a certain company that is doing printing for you, and you see that these guys are actually slackening, you're able to change simply because you have seen the trend. But if you're not able to track each of the job and what's happening, you can't become these trends. So you can make decisions that are actually very good for your business. So this printer was taking a couple of days in order to print. If you find another printer who takes a day to print, for example, that means you're increasing your capacity to deliver to the clients throughout the month, which is actually very good for the bottom line. So in simple, in just giving a conclusion about this platform, we are just trying to make your life very simple. We are just trying to help you have clarity in what is happening in your business. We are just trying to have you feedback that is timely in your business in order to make the right decisions at the right time. So if you're really interested in this concept, please leave your details and we'll be in touch. Thank you.